Good morning. It is Monday morning. It is 9:42 a.m. I'm trying a new position for the webcam. Uh, they say you're supposed to always be looking into the camera. Well, I had it mounted up above the top of the monitor up here, but I have now switched it so it's sitting on the desk on a little stand thing right below the monitor. And this way I can look into the monitor and basically see what I'm looking into the camera now, right here. Now I'm looking at the screen, and you can see my eyes go up just a bit. Uh, and they would probably go up more if I were watching somebody else on the monitor. Uh, but anyway, this is just a test to see how this looks like. Whoops, missed grabbing hold of the mouse. Okay, directly into the camera. Now let's see if we move this camera a bit. Okay, that's picking up too much of that. We need to go up here just a bit. We're trying to get this so that it's steady. And I may have to move this whole thing over some to get it like I want. Hopefully now it looks like I'm looking straight into you, into your eyes, your baby blue eyes. So I'm going to stop this recording and see what it sounds like.